GIDEON Dynamic Comparison Tables is a unique feature you won't find anywhere else. It helps to compare infectious diseases, drugs, and pathogens quickly and easily. Let's take a closer look at a side-by-side comparison of diseases. In this comparison table, I have listed 3 diseases of interest: COVID-19, influenza, and common cold. On the left-hand side of the table, I can see the combined list of clinical findings applicable to these diseases. They are listed in the order commonly used in point-of-care settings, but I can sort them alphabetically if I want to. The probability key helps identify how likely each finding is to appear for a given disease. For example, usually means it is reported in 80 to 99% of all cases, while always means it is reported in all cases. I can sort each column according to these values. For instance, we can see that the common cold always affects the ears, nose, throat, and oral cavity. A runny nose is a frequent finding as well. In comparison, these findings are rarely reported in COVID-19 cases. All items in the comparison table are hyperlinked and can be accessed at a click of a button. The blue tick next to the disease name means it is currently listed in a comparison table. I can remove it or add it back like so. Let's go back to the comparison table. Comparison tables allow the addition of up to 10 items at a time. This means the list of clinical findings can get quite long. This is why GIDEON displays short summaries of each disease at the bottom of the table. Each table can be downloaded and printed by using the Download PDF button. When I'm done working with this data, I can easily clear it. You may notice the yellow lamp icon has disappeared from the main navigation menu at the top. Adding anything to a comparison table will make it appear again. This is particularly useful when marking items to compare from other places in GIDEON app, such as the A to Z list.